Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and today, 24th day of June 2024. So we are here for Hamster Morse Code, and as usual, let's get into my WhatsApp group to see the Morse code. So this is my WhatsApp group. So the Morse code for today is alt. A-L-T, alt. This is very short and it should be very easy. So as usual, we are going to be using our spelling chart. Okay, so let's consult it. We consult our spelling chart and then we'll go back to Hamster, and then to activate the Morse code, we click on daily cipher. That will change this box and it will activate the code. So I click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, this board has changed. Okay, so the first letter in the alt is letter A. Okay, letter A, and letter A is dot dash. Remember, dot is just tapping on your screen and dash is just holding it for at least 3 seconds and then you release. Okay, or even 2 seconds and then you release. So A is dash dot, so tap and then hold. Okay, let's do that. Tap and hold. So we tap and then we hold and then we release. Letter A has been registered. Okay, we move on to letter L. Letter L. And how is letter L spelled? Letter L is a bit long. It's spelled dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. So just like letter A, you tap, you hold, but this one you now tap again. So dot dash dot dot. So let's do that. Dot dash dot dot. Oh man, I've made a mistake. So let me go back. Okay. Okay, so letter L is dot dash dot dot. So we do it dot dash dot dot. Okay, and letter L has been spelled. So as you can see, once you make any mistake, you start all over again. As you can see, the mistake I made there, I had to go back. I had to start all over again. So once you make any mistake, you go back to the beginning letter. So try not to make any mistake. So the last but not the least is letter T. Letter T. And letter T is just dash, just hold and release. I think this is the simplest Morse code ever in the history of this game. This is the simplest Morse code. So we just hold and release. Hold and then release. And then alt has been spelled. And then we have gotten our 1 million coins. So you click on take the prize. So let's do that. And that is it. Voila. So cool for today, Achieve. Keep it up and great achievement awaits you. You are capable of more. Okay, thank you, Hamster. So that is that for that. See you guys tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends, tell your enemy about this YouTube channel. We do this every day. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.